The best food for sleep. Almost everybody is aware of the value that eating certain foods is instrumental in our daily lives. Eating the right foods gives us the energy we need to complete tasks, strengthen our immune system against diseases, improve cognitive functions, heal wounds, repair bones and tissues, help our children grow big strong, and basically everything else we need to live happy, healthy, productive lives. Tryptophan. Tryptophan is an amino acid that when ingested gets turned into the neurotransmitter serotonin and then converted into the hormone melatonin. Here are some of the best foods loaded with tryptophan. Dairy products, milk, low-fat yogurt, cheese. Poultry, turkey, chicken. Seafood, shrimp, salmon, halibut, tuna, sardines, cod. Nuts and seeds, flax, sesame, pumpkin, sunflower, cashews, peanuts, almonds, walnuts. Legumes, kidney beans, lima beans, black beans, split peas, chickpeas. Fruits, apples, bananas, peaches, avocado. Vegetables, spinach, broccoli, turnip greens, asparagus, onions, seaweed. Grains, wheat, rice, barley, corn, oats. Magnesium. Magnesium is a powerful mineral that is instrumental in sleep and is a natural relaxant that helps deactivate adrenaline. A lack of magnesium can be directly linked to difficulty going and staying asleep. Magnesium is often referred to as the sleep mineral. Excellent sources of magnesium are dark leafy greens, baby spinach, kale, collard greens. Nuts and seeds, almonds, sunflower seeds, Brazil nuts, cashews, pine nuts, flaxseed, pecans. Wheat germ. Fish, salmon, halibut, tuna, mackerel. Soybeans. Banana. Avocados. Low-fat yogurt. Calcium. Calcium is another mineral that helps the brain make melatonin. A lack of calcium can cause you to wake up in the middle of the night and have difficulty returning to sleep. Calcium-rich diets have been shown to help patients with insomnia. Dairy products that contain both tryptophan and calcium are among the best sleep inducers. Sources of calcium include dark leafy green, low-fat milk, cheeses, yogurt, sardines, fortified cereals, soybeans, fortified orange juice, enriched breads and grains, green snap peas, okra, broccoli. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 also helps convert tryptophan into melatonin. A deficiency in B6 has been linked with lowered serotonin levels and poor sleep. A deficiency in B6 is also linked to symptoms of depression and mood disorders which can lead to insomnia. Highest sources of B6 are sunflower seeds, pistachio nuts, flaxseed, fish, tuna, salmon, halibut, meat, chicken, tuna, lean pork, lean beef, dried prunes, bananas, spinach, melatonin. Many of the vitamins and minerals that are on this list are there because they help aid in the production of turning serotonin into melatonin. However, there are a few excellent sources of naturally occurring melatonin in foods. Fruits and vegetables, tart cherries, corn, asparagus, tomatoes, pomegranate, olives, grapes, broccoli, cucumber. Grains, rice, barley, rolled oats. Nuts and seeds, walnuts, peanuts, sunflower seeds, mustard seeds, flaxseed. Drinks that are great for sleep. It's not just foods that are great for sleep. Many drinks contain essential vitamins and minerals that help aid with sleep. A few of the ones to try are warm milk, almond milk, valerian tea, chamomile tea, tart cherry juice, passion fruit tea, peppermint tea.